What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video, guys. If you never subscribe to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm back again, guys. On this video, I'm gonna show you how you can choose your bet. But before we get into it, make sure you like and smash the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you subscribe. So, guys, on this video, guys, I wanna show you how you can choose your bet. 100% bet that you're sure of that you're going to win, guys. So guys, let me I wanna say something about betway, guys, because some of the people are texting me and saying I didn't win, I didn't do that. Guys, always understand that betway is a business, guys. Okay, you are betting, but betway is a business, guys. It's a real business, and it's a big business, guys. So if you come here and just put your 1 rand and expect to win 1,000 rand, that won't be possible. Okay, sometimes it depends to people. Sometimes people win, but it's not 100%. It's not 100% accurate, guys. So guys, let me show you the real way that you can grow your betway account, guys. I'm not talking about you can win 1,000 rand, and I'm not talking about you can win 700 rand. I'm talking about maybe you can grow your account to 200 rand a day, or to 300 rand a day, or 400 rand a day. You can make that kind of money, guys. I promise you, with my strategy, guys, it won't go wrong, guys. It won't go wrong if you implement this, guys. So, and if you lose maybe one day, don't be like maybe I won't win. I won't. Just try, guys, and you're going to win this. I'm telling you, guys. You won't lose your bet each and every day if you implement the strategy that I'm gonna show you here, guys. You won't. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my video when I upload. For more updates, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get more videos when I upload each and every time, guys. I'm doing this for you, guys. I want us to go far, guys, with this, guys. So guys, let's go, guys. So guys, basically I want to show you how you can choose. As you can see, this team here and this one here, and I'm 100% sure that this team here is gonna win. It's gonna lose. Why? Just because it has it's a Hull City. It has 5.3 is 5.80, and this one here, guys, this our guy here has is the name of it is Coventry. Yeah, Coventry City. It has 1,61. So as you can see, guys, this team, according to my thought, this team is going to win. So guys, I'm gonna choose this one here. So let us go down. Let's go down. Okay, let me highlight this one. Let's go down on this one. I'm 100% sure that this one's going to win, guys. This is how I choose my bet. Guys. If you follow this strategy, guys, you won't go wrong. As you can see here, guys, around Orlando Pirates, I don't know how they call it, but okay, as you can see, you can understand too. Orlando Pirates and Super Sport, guys. As you can see on Super Sport, guys, as you can see here, let me show you here. As you can see here and here, guys, the odds, and even here and here, guys, just look at it. First of all, let's look at this one and this one. Super Sport has got 4,00, and the Orlando Pirate has 1,94. The chance of Orlando Pirates to win, guys, is 67 or 68% or 70% for it to win. So guys, for me, I will go for Orlando Pirates. So guys, I'm gonna show you another strategy that you can use, guys, so that you won't go wrong. Guys. So on this one, guys, this one is 100% to take a draw, guys. Why? Just because look at the odds on the draw is 2,85. It is possible for the teams to commit a draw, guys. so that's why I'm choosing a draw. So guys, let's go. Yeah, let's go down. Let's go down. Okay guys, let me go and choose and check on upcoming. Yeah, I can choose this one. As you can see guys, as you can see what I'm doing here on it, and I can choose this one. This one is the okay. Yeah. Guys, it's because of the video guys. I won't stay long, and then this one I can choose this one. I don't want this video to be long, and I can choose this one. I want us to choose maybe 9 teams guys, or 8 teams. That would be okay. Yeah, I think I'm done choosing a. But guys, as you can see how I choose guys. You can see how I choose. So I'm gonna show you another strategy that you can implement guys, so that you will win guys, so that you won't go wrong. Just check the odds. Let me show you how much you can go. You're going to win guys. With 10 rand guys, you're gonna win 576 rand. And if you put 20 rand guys, boom, 1152 rand. Guys, this only 9 teams guys. It's only 9 teams. Okay, let's remove the draw and see the odds. Yeah, I like this one. Let me remove the. Yeah, okay, I've removed the draw guys. I like this one guys. The chances of winning this guys is highly 80 something percent guys. 100% sure that you're gonna got this one guys. On betway, it's not all about winning millions guys. It's all about growing your channel, or just because guys, if you go on betway and maybe putting 10 rand and expect to win 3,000 rand or 4,000 rand guys, that's just a risk guys. It's not easy, because you're going to maybe put more teams here just to win that kind of money, and you won't win maybe 16 team. That's not possible. It's not possible. Yeah, some people win, but it's not possible guys, or it's not 100% guys. So if you bet maybe 7 teams downwards, my advice to you guys is maybe you can bet 5 team, or okay, 7 teams downwards. Yeah, 7 teams. I think okay, actually 7 teams is what I'm betting guys. I'm betting 7 teams guys. So if you choose 7 teams guys, it's going to be okay, and the chances of winning it is high guys. So don't go for maybe 20 teams and 17 teams guys. That's a lot guys. Just go for maybe 7 teams downwards, or 8 teams if you are above. Just choose maybe 8 teams. Yeah, maybe 8 teams down. Yeah, it's the only way you can win betway guys. That's the only way guys. So thank you for watching my video guys. If I gave you value guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos guys. You